Alright guys, this is Ranks here in Studio O, and I'm trying to join the Amazon influencer program, but I don't think I have enough subscribers on YouTube, so I need your help to get on this, because I heard that the Amazon A store is closing. They're closing that program, and they're pushing all the affiliate program to Amazon influencer program, and you have to qualify to get into this program. But I don't know what is the criteria to get in this program. So as you can see, when I put join now, come to this program, it says qualified through YouTube, real-time approval, and this one is real-time approval. So let's try Twitter, and nope, I'm not successful there. So let's go back and try YouTube. Ranks, choose it. Nope, not qualified, qualification unsuccessful. So we need your help. So I think if you subscribe, I can sub back your subscription, so we could all get into this Amazon influencer program. And we had to do this as quickly as possible before they close down the next program, and we're gonna lose out. So this is the only thing I have here. So somebody help me how to join. So somebody help to join. This is my thing. Made one sale, so I'm doing good. Today I have 42 clicks. Yesterday 47. So doing 266 clicks somewhere last 30 days. Alright, so somebody help me to get under this program, or advice, or help sub this program, this channel, and I will sub back, and we all get into this Amazon program. Thank you.